G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and today I'm here with another Photoshop Elements tutorial.
I'm here in Photoshop Elements 2018 Organizer to show you around. I've been inspired by symbol scrapper Jennifer Wilson's great stash bash that she's running during March 2018 to take a look at my digital stash. I manage it in Photoshop Elements Organizer. G'day, it's Melissa Shannon here, founder of Digital Scrapbooking HQ. I'm using Photoshop Elements Organizer 2018, but most of this can be done in pretty much any version of Organizer on the Mac or the PC. So I had a question from Terri about how to organize stamps that are PNG files. So how would you even find them? My first thought was, well, we can look for files that end with PNG and the file name contains brush. And let's see what we come up with. We need it to be all of the following search criteria. So let's see what we've found. Some of these are more of actual brushes, but these ones, they're definitely brushes. And then there's a literal hairbrush. And paintbrushes. But there's a brush. Some other brushes. So the way to do it might be to start off with that search and then tag the ones that you think you'd like to find again. So for me, I've got several word art brushes. So I might just pop them under my word art tag, and then I'll also add a new category for brushes. And let's see, have we got a brush icon here? No. I was hoping there'd be like a palette or something. We'll just go with a beach ball for no reason. And I'm going to pull this up to the top so it's easy for us to find. And then I'm just going to keep selecting all of my brushes. Now in this case, I'm just going to choose the ones that I'd actually use as brushes, because there's no point in spending your time tagging things that you would never in a million years use. So let's pull them across to brushes. I like this alphabet. This is very cool. But it's not really a brush because it is, hang on. Actually, it is just black and white. So that could work either as an actual black alpha or as a brush used with any. So just in case you don't know what a brush is, let's show you. So you can just open up any file and I can go to edit, define brush, and I'm going to make that a brush, and then I can go back into my page here, click on my brush tool, and then select the brush I've just defined. Oh, it's a bit big, so I'll use the left or right brackets to resize it until I'm happy with how it looks. And there you go. There is my brush. And of course, I can click over the same location a couple of times to make it darker, or just leave it as is. So in digital scrapbooking, you often use brushes as stamps. If you have a specific folder of brushes that you've been collecting, your brushes in, you could definitely just, open that up and, select all of those things as brushes. So with what we've done so far, we can just click here. Oh, let's go back to all media. Now this is a tip. If you're ever looking in Photoshop Elements and you're searching and there's nothing coming up, don't worry. Just click back to all media and you'll see what you need. So this is what we found in our collection of brushes, and it's really easy to just add other tags, like say we've got word art here. This one here says happy birthday, so I might want to put that on my birthday theme. There we go, some other birthday stuff. You can continue to add as many keywords as you like. And as I mentioned before, you can get all my keywords as part of my Get Organized Supplies class. It's really handy to have a framework there to start with. And of course, you can add more keywords just by clicking this Create New Keyword tag. So I hope that has helped you. So Terry, I hope this idea about creating a keyword tag for your brushes will be really helpful, and you will be able to find your brushes more easily and use them in your scrapbooking. If you'd like to learn more about how Organizer works, you can head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com/OAB. My Organising for Absolute Beginners class is there, and I go through the whole user interface and show you how to use all of these different kinds of searches. In the next several videos, I'll be back to show you some more quick tips on how I manage my stash in Photoshop Elements Organizer.
Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop Elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.